Today, I want to talk to you about something crucial for every business. Whether you are starting out or looking to scale, knowing this number can make all the difference in your business success. Welcome to Crunch Times, the place to be to make the tangible connection between your business operation and its financial performance.
So, what is break even point? It's the level of sales you need to cover all your costs, meaning you are not making a profit, but you are not losing money either. This number gives you a clear picture of your financial health, and it's a powerful tool for setting your revenue goals. Imagine this: you know exactly how much you need to sell to break even. Now you can set realistic targets and align with your growth strategy. It also helps you allocate resources more effectively, focusing on what truly drives profitability. For instance, if your fixed costs are $5,000 a month and your variable cost per product is $10, you can calculate how many products you need to sell just to cover your fixed costs. Knowing this break even point is powerful because it helps you set sales goals and make better business plans. So, the formula to calculate your break even point is fixed costs divided by gross margin. If we go back to our examples, our fixed costs were $5,000 and our variable cost per product was $10. So it's now a matter of how much the price is for us to calculate the break even point. This formula also tells us the higher your gross margin, the lower your break even point is going to be. So let's break it down and see what that means. For example, if our price per unit is $50, using the formula I just showed you, your break even point in units turns out to be 125 units, meaning you have to sell 125 units for you to cover your $5,000 fixed costs. Now, if you imagine that price is increased to $65 per unit, then you get to a break even point of 91 units, meaning that you only need to sell 91 units for you to break even or to cover your $5,000 costs. So, which price would you choose? So, as you can see, break even point plays a key role in pricing strategies. By knowing how much you need to sell to break even, you can fine tune your prices to ensure you are covering costs and achieving your profitability. And here is something crucial: the level of your fixed costs impact this number as well. High fixed costs mean a higher break even point, which increases your risk. On the other hand, lower fixed costs give you more flexibility and a lower break even point, making it easier to turn a profit. As your startup grows, understanding your break even point becomes even more crucial. It helps you evaluate whether increased sales justify the added cost of expansion. Plus, when you are seeking funding, a solid break even analysis shows investors your business's financial viability.
Remember, knowing your numbers isn't about surviving. It's about thriving and scaling with confidence. So, what's your break even point? If you are not sure or need help calculating, reach out and together we can create a personalized plan to help your business grow. Your dream business is just a conversation away.